So, back on the dream build finally. Loads of you have been asking about it. We missed the first two deadlines we were going for. We've just got so much on and it's a lot bigger job than we thought. So we're back on it now. It's the new year, it's freezing cold, but we're going to try really hard to get it done for Camper Mart, which is, from now, is 3 weeks, I believe. So the next stage is with Lanoguarding. You might have seen it all online. It's underbody protection, eco-friendly. It's a great product. We've seen it online. I've used some on my personal car and I thought, oh, it's absolutely brilliant. So we were hooked up by the guys at Lanoguard. If you use the link below on this video, you'll get £5 off, which is great. It's a great help for everyone. So if you order it via that link, you're going to get £5 off. So let's show you what we've got and show you what we're going to be protecting. So we have gone for the large Lanoguard kit. This kit contains 2 of the Moto spray, which is the thing that's going to cover the majority of it. Most people probably wouldn't need to go for the large kit, but because we've redone so many areas, we just want to protect it all. As well as that, we've got the Moto grease. This goes on threads, areas that will are prone to high corrosion. We've got the brush, the cloth. We've got the normal spray trigger, which goes in the bottles of the Moto spray, and we've also got the 360 wand, which goes into the cavities, and it threads right down the cavities and sprays in them. So Craig, our in-house decorator, is going to be over here in a second, and he's going to be pumping all this in. There's a load of good reasons to use Lanoguard rather than any other underseal. So like you see all the black underseals that people spray all over, which are horrible and really oil-based, and they'd cover up all the nice work and the painting that we've done under here and all the powder coating. But these are all natural products. They're all eco-friendly. They're clear as well, so you're going to be able to see everything. It goes on looking quite shiny, but after a week it will matte. So we'll show you as it goes on, and then we'll take another video in a week just to show how it sets. Right, so it's completely safe to apply. You don't need to wear PPE or anything like that. Craig will anyway, because he doesn't want to get his clothes dirty. But yeah, it's not harmful for your lungs or your hands, skin, anything like that. It is worth noting, clean all rust and dirt off first. We're all good because everything's pretty much brand new. So yeah, make sure there's no loose dirt on there, rust, bits like that. So it's dead easy to put on, you'll see. But it's also really tough. So this has been tested with like a 3000 PSI jet wash. So it's not like something you're going to put on, wash it and it's going to come off. It will last. It is advised that it's topped up, I believe, every year. But the protection that it gives for the salts in this country is just second to none. So let's see it being applied now.
We've come a long, long way together, through the hard times and the good. I have to...
Right, so first stage, Craig's fitting the motor. Fitting? He's not fitting it.
Cut the show. I'm done.
First stage, Craig's using the areas that are prone to rust. He's covering them in the Moto grease. It's literally 0 degrees in here today, so we've had to put it in a pot of hot water to make it a bit more malleable. It does say to do this on the instructions. So he's going over all the thread heads and threads that are exposed. So he'll do that first, and then once he's done that, he'll move over to the wand and then start doing all the cavities.
I have to praise you like I should.
So Mikey, step 1 complete.
Step 1's complete. We've gone under it. We all joined in because it turns out there's a lot more than we thought. Yeah, threads and areas prone to rusting are now covered in the Moto grease. Craig is now getting the wand ready, getting his wand ready. Get me wand ready to fill all the cavities. So here we go.
Go on Craig, suit up. So it's now time to do all the larger surfaces, Mikey.
So Craig's just gonna is twisted the nozzle to where he wants it to be, because you can have it on a jet or you can have it on a spray mist, and it's just doing all the larger areas with the Moto spray to just give it that full protection. Right, so you've just seen Craig apply it all. He's gone over absolutely everything underneath, all the arches and everything. We've now left it for a week. It's a week further now. As you can see, it's all matted off. It's nowhere near as thick as it was. It's going to go a little bit drier than this, but as you can see, it's a lot more matte, a lot more factory looking in the arch and all underneath. So we'll lift it up now and show you underneath. We've started to get some under trays on, so we have covered up quite a bit of it, but you can probably see on the rear arms and things like that, it has all matted off. We probably will apply a bit more in a few areas that are a bit prone to getting abused, just to make sure it's fully covered. But yeah, we're really happy with it, and it's now ready to go out on the salty British roads. Right, so that's it. That is it, all applied, all done. To sum it up, we are really happy with the product. Really easy to apply, looks great. It's not taken away from any of the nice work we've done underneath. We're definitely going to apply it to a load of other vehicles that we've got. It's well worth in this country, protecting the underneath of your vehicle. If you want to buy some, it's not something we sell, but if you follow the link below, it will take you to the website and you will get £5 off by using our link. It's good to help you guys out, but yeah, definitely worth doing. So there you go, the ultimate protection for the bottom of your vehicle. Thanks for watching. If you like, share and subscribe, it does really help us, and it helps us link up with these guys like Lanoguard, really friendly people. So we want to try to support them as much as we can.